Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to update your iOS on the phone itself. First thing you need to do is go into settings, make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi, which you can see this one's already is. Then you will want to go to General, Software Update, and then you will click on Download and Install when it's light up in blue. But since I already started this process, it's sitting there downloading and prepping to update now. So once this is done, we'll come back in and install it. Alright, so now the software has finished downloading, and now you should get you the option to install it. But since my phone is below 50%, it won't let me install it because the install now is not lit up in blue. So the quickest way to do it is just plug your phone up to your charger, and then now you see the install now button is lit up in blue. So what you do now is basically hit install now. Now it's verifying with Apple, but make sure your phone is still connected to Wi-Fi. So you just give it a few minutes while it's verifying with Apple. And then it should jump to a black screen, and you should get an Apple logo here in a few minutes. There we go. And now you should get a bar across the phone while it's installing. So you just got to give this phone some time to finish installing the new update, and then once it's done, your device should boot back up, and your phone will technically be on the newest update. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and see you next time.